Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video we'll be looking at upgrading the Silvia S15's accelerator, brake and clutch pedals from the regular rubberized ones, upgrading them to these really nice brushed aluminium silver ones. Now these pedals are typically from the R34 Skyline, so they look super nice and there are your part numbers for you. So let's eat that frog and start off with the hardest part of this, and that's modifying the accelerator pedal. Now I've just captured this clip so you can see how the pedal is attached to the arm, which can be unclipped by using a screwdriver. Okay, so next, because this is an 200SX Australian delivered car, there's gonna need to be a modification to do on the accelerator pedal. Got to remove it first by getting these two 10mm nuts, and then also removing this up here. There it is, just like little washer clip thing that you've got to undo, disconnect the accelerator cable there, and then that pedal assembly should be able to come out. So you can see those two nuts are undone, the cable's been disconnected up there, and it just comes out easily like that. And then you'll be able to see on the back here, this section that's welded on, and that needs to come off. Yeah, so now that's undone from the back, it just pivots and then comes off like that, easy. So this is the section that needs to come off. Just gonna hit it with an angle grinder and then it should be good to go. So halfway through there, so just gotta keep going, and I think I might hit it from the back. All right, sweet, so that's just hanging off there now. I'm just gonna hit that off, it's gonna be hot. And then we should be good to just give it a little bit of paint and reinstall. So here are the bush parts for the accelerator pedal. So that's one of them. There's the other one, and I got them from the OEM J4JDM website at a really good price, and they came pretty quickly. And here's a little bit of a closer look at them. This one goes at the end of the accelerator pedal arm, and this is the lock piece that goes at the top part of the accelerator pedal. Okay, so now with these bushes, this is how they're going to be installed. It's just going to be way easier to show you off the car. So flip it around and you'll see that this one will go in here like that, and then this one, once you've got the aluminium pedals swung over the assembly here, will help to lock it in place and goes over there. So here you can see how it's going to install. So imagine the bush is in there, that flips over, and then it sits in nicely like that. That's how it should look. So clip there, bush in there. So I've got the plastic bush in there. It's a tight fit, so don't be shy, you really have to jam it in. And then just gonna fit this top one here, and then it should be good to install back into the car. Now, just a note, and you would have seen it when I fit it before, it goes on a little bit loose. So all I've done is I've just put some silicone hose around the tip of the pedal arm, and then put it in, and that's kind of helped to tighten it up a little bit. It doesn't move as much. And now just put the clip back on there. Now I've also done the same here as well. You can see that I've just split some silicone hose and put it in so that it doesn't have any slack. And then this bush can nicely clip on, and you know it's on because you'll hear it click. Great, so now that part's done, it's time to remove the clutch and the brake pedals, which is super easy. They just pop off, and then what you want to do is put the aluminium pieces in boiling water for a few minutes and then finagle them onto the pedals themselves, and you can see how much nicer it looks. They do take a little bit of finessing, but you'll feel it when they're on, and then this is the result. I reckon they just give your interior that little bit extra nicer touch, and of course they do feel much better for spirited driving. I hope you found that video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe because there will be more S15 200SX videos coming up soon. See ya!